Hello, let's have a quick look at the new Anomaly Advisor tab in Netdata Cloud. So I'm in Netdata Cloud. You should see a new Anomalies tab has appeared, and once you go in there, assuming you have your nodes enabled for ML, you should see something like this, which is a chart of the anomaly rate across all of your nodes. The main idea here is that you're looking for areas of elevated anomaly rates that might be of interest. So they could be spikes, or they could be sort of long, wider, sort of, but not as high spike things like this blue guy here. And so I'm just going to show an example of one way to look at this data. So I'm in here. I'm looking at the last 6 hours, and I see this kind of blue blob here, which is a sort of an elevation in the anomaly rate on the ML enabled node, which is it's not that high. It's still only about half a percentage point. But just to show how the feature works, what you can do is you come in, you highlight the area of interest, and in the background, then Netdata Cloud will go and pull the anomaly rates from all of the nodes and give you this sorted heat map table here of which metrics are most anomalous in the highlighted window. So what this is saying here is like the most anomalous metric within this highlighted window across all these three nodes was this app's CPU SSH, which is, was about anomalous about 13% of the time, roughly. So if I pop down, so this line here is the actual anomaly rate, and if I expand it down, I can see the raw metrics. So these are the normal raw metrics from Netdata that you can then actually look at to see if you agree or disagree with the anomaly rate. So I can see here, obviously, SSH, there was a lot more CPU usage by SSH user on this one node, the ML demo enabled blue node. And likewise, then you can kind of scan. So the idea is these are the most anomalous metrics within the window of interest, and you can scan them to see. Obviously there's one here looking at connections. So it looks like for some reason the connections SSH, maybe somebody SSH'd into this machine and did something. Might have been me. But the idea is you can quickly see, within this window of interest, which are the most anomalous metrics that Netdata considers look strange in various ways. And then you can, once you drop them down, you can get back to, the raw metrics to see if you agree or disagree, basically. And so yeah, that's a quick overview of how, one way to use the Anomaly Advisor tab in Netdata Cloud. Thank you.